Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can tell by the title, I'm coming with a beautiful wig review. Okay, this wig is by UNICE hair, and I will have the link down below in case you want to cop this same wig. I just want you guys to see the highlights that came with this wig. They're bomb. They're giving me very much Beyonce vibes. It is a closure wig, so it's a 4x4 closure. It does come with 4 combs, one in the back, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle. Also, it comes with an elastic band, so you can tie it up in the back. It was a little big for my head size, so I had to tie those elastic bands. Right now, I'm showing you guys the closure part. I had to do some work. Like, honestly, the closure part on this, you will have to put in work in order to make it look kind of natural. So I had to go in and pluck, and yeah. But right now, I'm showing you guys that it did have minimum shedding, so that was a good thing. And I didn't even have to like bleach the knots or anything. I just went in and sprayed my closure down with my skin tint or my closure tint, and yeah. As I said before, I just went in with my tinted lace to color the closure instead of bleaching the knots, because this closure did come with like a silk, a silk lining, I guess, to make it look more realistic. So I did go in with my tinted lace. I had to, get off camera and try to customize it, but I'm back. And right now, as you can tell, I am plucking my closure to make it look more realistic than what it was. So you can tell now the closure looks kind of nice, and it looks way better, honestly. It looks way better. But this video is self-explained, so I will let you guys watch it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all for watching. Talk to you next time.
Better say my name. Any other day, I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there.